Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the exact break and checking whether beads or clasps are damaged. This determines whether you restring or repair the knot. Once done, pick a thread type that matches strength and thickness: silk for pearls, nylon for seed beads, and thread your needle. Make a stopper not 1 to 2 beads above the break to prevent loss, and cut a working length of about 12 to 18 inches so you have room to maneuver without excess tangling. Thread beads back onto the needle in the original order. Using a beading mat keeps small pieces from rolling away. Once most beads are on, slide a crimp bead or knot spacer near the clasp end so you can secure tension later. Pull the thread so beads sit snug but not crushed. This prevents stress on knots. If using knotted pearls, use a tweezers or awl to push knots tight to each bead. For crimping, position and flatten the crimp firmly. To finish, tie a reliable surgeon's or square knot when required, or crimp the sleeve firmly if using crimps. Trim excess, thread close to the knot, and add a minute drop of clear jewelry glue for extra security. Test the clasp and overall tension, making adjustments so beads lie evenly. If you see slipping later, reopen the crimp or untie and restring with a stronger thread. Otherwise, replace a damaged clasp immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.